I'm sure you've heard the news. Zimbabweans were hit with an economic shockwave last week, losing almost half their savings in a matter of hours, following false assurances from President Emerson Mnangagwa and the central bank governor. Zimbabwe's gold-backed currency, the ZiG, was devalued by a staggering 44%. Imagine waking up with $71 in your account only to find it worth just $40 by the next day. This is the fourth time Zimbabweans have faced such financial devastation due to devaluation. Prices are soaring, small businesses are collapsing, and widespread impoverishment is taking its toll. Yet amidst this economic Armageddon, some are distracted by trivial matters like celebrity gossip. This misplaced focus underscores a sense of helplessness and resignation, as the population grapples with corruption, poor governance, and ineffective leadership. The ongoing devaluation not only highlights the struggles in managing the economy, but also reflects the true state of Zimbabwe's economic health. Economists believe that while this painful adjustment was necessary, the road to stability is still fraught with challenges. Stay informed, stay engaged, and let's hope for a brighter tomorrow for Zimbabwe.